Hello, I'm Wendy with an I, and in this video I'm going to be doing some DIY Minnie and Daisy flower pots. I was inspired by Disney's Disney Family Instagram account. They posted a photo tutorial of making a mini flower pot, and I thought it was so incredibly cute. I wanted to do my own. So I also wanted to include making a daisy one because this time of year the choices for blooms are so abundant, so many beautiful flowers and plants to choose from this time of year. So I'm going to do both, a mini and a daisy one. So let's get started. Okay, future flower pots here. This is 8 days after filming the DIY, but I just wanted to show you guys how these guys are really filling out. Look how beautiful. Look at all these red blooms in Minnie's pot. Oh, they're so pretty. These guys require full sun. The flowers I chose, so I have them out here temporarily in the flower bed. Just wanted to show you guys in the future how beautiful these pots are. I hope wherever you are, you're having a great day. Thank you so much for watching. Be sweet.